what arrived? My goodness me. TEMU has launched in the UK. As soon as I found out, I placed an order and it's here. Claire, what is TEMU? I hear you asking. From what I gather, TEMU is like an AliExpress, Shein or Wish alternative. It's basically a website where you can go on and order pretty much everything you'd ever need in life. If you are in the USA, this is not going to be that exciting for you guys because you've had TEMU for ages. You've literally been just like holding onto it and keeping it for yourselves. And every time I do a video, so many of my lovelies from the USA tell me that they've got a TEMU haul, that they've just done another order. And honestly, I'm like, really happy for you. And then you're asking me, is it in the UK yet? And I'm like, not yet. Anyway. Guys, I have only just heard of TEMU about 2-3 months ago, and then I ran on the website to place an order. Do not deliver to the UK. In fact, they only deliver to the USA. So of course, I was just like, that's not fair. And we've been waiting. We have been waiting. I've actually been talking to TEMU and they told me 3 months. So when I got a message last week from a friend on Instagram saying, Claire, they're here. What? No, TEMU told me 3 months. They lied. Anyway, I've placed an order. I'm going to show you exactly what I got, and then I want you to guess how much I spent. I will say this before I show you what I bought. I was fully hoping that I was going to log on to this brand new website and just find some real incredible, unique, brand new things that I've never seen before. That was my expectation, but the reality was that pretty much 99.9% of everything I saw on there I've seen before. There was nothing that fantastical. There was nothing like wow, you know, game changing if you like. So yes, I have seen pretty much everything on there before. The difference is the delivery. When I tell you, I ordered this, I want to say a week ago. It might have been maybe 8 days ago, 9 days ago, and it's here already. Fast delivery, and all of my friends, you guys who are watching from the USA, you all love TEMU and you swear by TEMU, but it's here in the UK. Enough talking, let's go. Okay, first up we have some micro brushes. Now I've never used these, but I see Wendy at Toonfish Crafts use these all the time, and I was like, I need to get some. And also Tracy over at Mini Scenes. Now these are teeny tiny brushes that you basically use to dislodge any air pockets down inside your molds, especially those 90-degree edges. Pack of 100. These are going to last me forever. Next up, I got some bezels. Now I'm mad into steampunk at the moment, and these just screamed steampunk. So these are the bezels that you place down onto this tape, and I bought the tape as well, so they kind of go hand in hand, they go together, but you do have to buy them separately. And yeah, you lay your tape down, you push your bezel down into the tape, and it is resin resistant, so you pour your resin into the bezel. Next up is these gorgeous little cacti, a cute little mold. I figured these would make really gorgeous fridge magnets. Now we all recognize this mold. I've used this a billion times on my channel. I have to say it's really flimsy compared to the ones I've bought from Amazon. This one is super thin. Like, I can't explain it. I wasn't expecting it, but I didn't know that at the time, so I bought 5. I bought 5, yeah, but super thin compared to the Amazon one that I've got, which is really chunky and just not this flimsy at all. We shall see, we shall see. Next up, this adorable little mold. I'm pretty sure this was a chocolate fondant mold, but how cute is this? All the little tools. Just cute, just really cute to add into any coasters or gifts for people that might use tools. Next up, I have got a mold that I would always associate with Wendy from Toonfish Crafts. I've never used a mold like this, but it's a cute little bunny that's just like sitting, just so cute. Next up, we have a tea light holder.
I love this. This has got like a beautiful diamond cut embossing on the edges. I think that will look stunning in Jesmonite. Next up, we have a tall church candle holder. Just your standard white tall candle, just to place in the middle. I've seen these on Instagram as well. I think this would look gorgeous in black, like really classic home decor. This mold is a beast. I love this mold. I've not seen this before. It has got so many different shaped pendants, all the way from diddy ones to these big chunky squares and circles. Love, love, love. Cannot wait to use this. This is the pendant that I am most excited about. Next up, we have this heart mold. Again, super diddy cute little hearts that you could be perfectly used for earrings all the way up to pendants and necklaces and whatnot. Now, you'll recognize this mold. I have this mold already. I got it from Amazon. Pretty sure I got it from Amazon. I love this mold, so now I've got two of them. So, yeah, really, really happy about that. But it was so much cheaper. So much cheaper on Temu. Chunky, huge tray mold is next. I have seen these all over Instagram. This is massive, guys, like really big, and it would be perfect for Jesmonite. Look how many tea light holders you could even fit on this tray. Like, it's huge. Really, really happy. Is it even a haul if we don't get some more temporary tattoos? Again, nothing I haven't seen before. I'm pretty sure I have already got these, which is really bad, but yeah, I saw them. Thought, oh, that's nice. Haven't got this woman, but yeah, I've got most of the flowers, all very much the same. This was such a cute little mold. I saw this on there and I was like, I have no idea when or why I would make this, but it's so cute. It's a little treasure chest, and kind of like looking at it, I realized it's a top filling mold. So you'd stand it upright, like your crystal molds, you'll stand it upright, pour your resin down in, pour your resin into the side, and then fix them together once you've demolded. That then becomes the lid. And then I was like, oh, what's this now? So yeah, there's kind of a few components to this mold, and I guess I will learn as I go. I might just see if anyone else has done it, to be honest. These guys, I didn't even know they sold in bulk. Like, whenever I've gone to buy these on Amazon, it's like a pack of two. Pack of two, pack of four. Literally, Temu's like enough for the whole family. Your whole town could have one. These are the silicone tools that I use quite often. Stamps, guys, stamps. I could have just spent all my money on stamps. Look at this. These are beautiful. Now, I did get the big dragonfly one, but honestly, botanical. Oh, I love them. This one is so cute. It's got all the herbs like rosemary and just like I'm trying to even read it on the screen. Yeah, like mustard and just so pretty. Again, I went for some more of the botanical and the flowers and botanical and flowers and some more botanical and flowers because gotta be original. A few more flowers and botanicals with the roses. Roses are beautiful, and some more botanical and flowers. Could not stop buying stamps. I'm not gonna lie, I love this one. The little watering can, so 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 adorable. Reminds me of my dad. My dad's a gardener, and yeah, that is the haul. So here we are. I want you to all work out how much this has cost me. We have got all of these stamp sets. We've got that gorgeous diamond cut tea light holder. We've got the church pillar candle holder. We've got the rabbit. We've got the tools. We've got the bezels. We've got the tape. We've got the little mini micro brushes. We've got that treasure chest silicone mold. We've also got the huge, beautiful tray mold, which I cannot wait to try. We've got the pendant mold that you've seen before. We've got the heart pendant mold. We've got this beast of a pendant mold that I cannot wait to use. We've got all of these silicone tools. We've got the cacti silicone mold. We've got the tattoos, and then we've got the 5 trays. Think about it. How much do you think this has all come to? Now, here's the thing, I did not do a price comparison. I could have spent a couple of hours looking through Amazon, looking up all of these items, doing a price comparison between Amazon, Wish, AliExpress, and Shein, but I didn't do that. Of course, feel free, guys, feel free to go ahead and check this out. This entire haul came to dun, 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 £50.90. I went back into my bank account just to double check the amount. Let me know what your expectation was. Did you think this would be cheaper than that? Yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think. Of course, I'm not affiliated, but everything will be linked down below. Well, everything. I say everything. TEMU will be linked down below in the UK. Hope you loved it. Thanks for watching. Bye.